Hello, culinary enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we embark on a whimsical culinary adventure that will challenge your palate and your skill. Have you ever wondered what cooking with your non-dominant hand would be like? Today, we will explore the delightful chaos of the left-handed chef, cooking in reverse. Join me as I bravely attempt to prepare an entire recipe using my non-dominant hand. Let's see how challenging, and perhaps amusing, this experience will be. Number 1. Introducing the concept. Now, before we dive into our recipe, let us take a moment to appreciate the unique challenge. Most of us have a dominant hand that we rely on for tasks big and small. For me, that's my right hand. However, today, I will adopt a left-handed approach, which, for many, can feel like navigating through a funhouse mirror. Everything appears familiar, yet is slightly askew. To illustrate this, I will be preparing a classic dish, a delectable vegetable stir-fry. The vibrant colors and fresh ingredients serve as a perfect starting point for our culinary escapade. But let me remind you, this is not just about the food, it's about the experience of cooking in reverse. Number 2. Gathering ingredients. First, let's gather our ingredients. Here we have an array of colorful bell peppers, crisp broccoli, and succulent carrots. Each of these ingredients will play a vital role in our stir-fry. However, before I get too ahead of myself, let's take a moment to appreciate the art of chopping, which I will now attempt with my left hand. It appears that precision is not my strong suit when wielding a knife with my left hand. The rhythm I am accustomed to has been completely disrupted. Each chop requires extra concentration and careful coordination. It's fascinating how something as simple as chopping can become an exercise in mindfulness. As I navigate through this, I encourage you to reflect on the importance of adaptability in the kitchen. Number 3. Cooking the stir-fry. Now that we have our vegetables prepared, let us transition to the next stage, cooking. I will turn on the stove and add a splash of oil to the pan. Remember, this is where the magic happens. But first, let me remind you to always ensure your safety while cooking, especially when using your non-dominant hand. Oops. A little spill there, but it's all part of the fun, right? Cooking should never be a rigid process. Instead, it should be an exploration of creativity and, at times, a little chaos. Now, let's add our vegetables to the pan. The art of tossing. Such a graceful motion. However, it seems my coordination is lacking. Nonetheless, with patience, I am starting to embrace the rhythm of this left-handed cooking. This may not be a Michelin star performance, but it certainly is a memorable experience. Number 4. Adding flavors. Next, we will enhance our stir-fry with some soy sauce and a sprinkle of sesame seeds. Using my left hand to measure out these ingredients is proving to be quite the task, but I must remind myself, every chef has been a student at some point. It seems I have a knack for spills today. However, I encourage you, dear viewers, to embrace your mistakes. In the culinary world, some of the greatest dishes have emerged from unintended accidents. Number 5. The final touches, and here we have it. Our colorful vegetable stir-fry is a dish that is both visually appealing and nutritious. As I plate this creation, I want to take a moment to reflect on what we have accomplished today. Cooking with my non-dominant hand has not only been a challenge but also a reminder of the joy of experimentation in the kitchen. Though the process may have been a bit messy, the result is a testament to the beauty of creativity and perseverance. I invite you to try this challenge at home and discover the joy of cooking in reverse. Perhaps you will find new techniques or even create a unique dish of your own. Thank you for joining me on this delightful journey of culinary exploration. If you enjoyed today's episode, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more quirky cooking challenges, and don't forget to share your left-handed cooking experiences in the comments below. Until next time, keep embracing the unexpected in your culinary adventures. Happy cooking!